Unit 1. Introduction. Dialogue 1.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Smith.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thanks.
Would you like some coffee or tea?
No, thank you. I'm fine.
Okay.
Dialogue 2.
Good morning, Miss Anderson. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please follow me. We'll meet in the conference room.
Okay.
Dialogue 3.
Are you Mr. Thomas?
Yes, I am.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
Would you like a glass of water or a cup of coffee before we begin?
No, thanks, I'm fine.
All right, then please come with me.
Sure.
Dialogue 4.
Hello, Mrs. Dewey.
Yes.
Could you give me 1 minute? I'll be right with you.
Sure.
Thanks. Okay. Thanks for waiting. Please follow me. Please, sit down. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Thanks for being patient. Things are quite busy here right now.
It's no problem.